If you love peanut butter cups, you're gonna be obsessed with these. These no-bake chocolate peanut butter bars are thick, fudgy, and ridiculously easy, no oven required. For the full recipe and all my tips, check the first pinned comment or head to nobakedessertslab.com. You only need a few pantry staples: peanut butter, melted butter, powdered sugar, graham crumbs, vanilla, a pinch of salt, and chocolate for the top. I also add a little coconut oil so the chocolate slices clean instead of cracking. Start by lining an 8x8 pan with parchment paper. Leave some overhang. This is your handle later, and it makes lifting the bars out so much easier. In a bowl, mix peanut butter with melted butter, vanilla, and a pinch of salt. This is where the flavor starts. Salt is optional, but it makes everything taste more like a real candy bar. Now add powdered sugar and graham crumbs, then mix until it turns thick, almost like soft cookie dough. If it feels too sticky, add a little more crumbs. If it feels dry, add a spoonful of peanut butter. Press that mixture firmly into the pan. I like using the bottom of a measuring cup to smooth it out. An even base means every slice looks clean and professional. Melt your chocolate until it's smooth and glossy, then stir in a tiny bit of coconut oil or butter. That's the trick that keeps the chocolate from shattering when you slice. Pour the chocolate on top and spread it into an even layer. Take a minute to smooth it. This is what gives you that candy bar finish. Now the easiest part: chill until firm. A few hours works, but overnight gives you the cleanest slices and the best texture. Lift them out, then slice with a hot, dry knife for perfect edges. And that's it: thick, fudgy no-bake chocolate peanut butter bars. For the full recipe, variations, and storage tips, check the first pinned comment or visit nobakedessertslab.com.